Hey boys and girls, today we are going to discuss another way to be creative, which means we're going to use our imagination to come up with something awesome, to make and create something awesome. Now, what is this? It's paper. Look at this paper. What are some things you might do with paper? Or what could you create with paper? Oh yeah, and how would you use paper to create that? Wow, that sounds awesome. Yeah, paper is really awesome because you can use it for a lot of things. To write your name, write your letters, your words, to draw pictures, anything you want. Now tell me, when I take my paper and I fold it in half, like this, and I can turn the page, what does this kind of remind you of? A book, right? Look, do I have a book right here? Let me grab one. I have one right here. So sorry. I have a book right here. Yes. And look inside. When you turn the pages, what material are you turning? Paper. Exactly. So tell me, would it be possible for you to use paper and create a book? Yes, it would be so possible for you to do that. All you need is your imagination to create a story. Think about some pictures to be the illustrator, draw them, write about it, and there you go, you have a story. So you can do that today. You can create a book. And how awesome. You don't even need words in your book. You can just draw pictures that create a story and you can tell it using your words. So yes, paper is a wonderful material to use to create a book. And books are everywhere, and most books are made of paper. So let's go ahead and write about that today because that would be super exciting for you to share. If you do create a book today, make sure to bring it at the end of our day at our Zoom, and then you can totally show us because we would love to hear a story that you wrote. All right, let's go ahead and write our morning message. Read or listen. I can make a book using paper. Can make a book using paper. Let's pad it. Ready? I can make a book using paper. Good job. So superhero powers, go ahead and count that. Ready? Go. How many words? All right, let's see. I can make a book using paper. 7 words. Awesome. Let's go ahead and write it. Okay, our first word is I. That's easy peasy. I can. What's the first sound you're hearing? Can. The letter. C or K. This one is a C. I can make. What's the first sound you hear in make? The letter M. Good. I can make a book. What's the first sound you hear in book? B. The letter B. I can make a book using, what can you use to make a book? Paper. What's the first sound you hear in paper? The letter P. Great job. And what do we put at the end of our sentence? A period. Awesome job. And I was about to read it without you. My bad. Let's go ahead and get our magic finger ready and follow along. I can make a book using paper. Can you read it this time? I can make a book using paper. Yes, boys and girls, you can make a book anytime you want. You go to the store and buy books all the time. Now it's your turn to create it right at home with paper. All right, I want you to turn on your goggles and look at my sentence. This is a sentence. And count how many words you see in your sentence. Go. How many words did you count? All right, well, let's go ahead and count together. Here we go. One. Oh, no. Devastation marker. I think that happened last time. Probably did. Here we go. Let's try again. 1 word. 2 words. 3 words. 4 words. Keep counting. 5 words. 6 words. 7 words. How many words? 7 words in our one sentence. Very good. Now, yes, I'm going to challenge you today to create a book using paper. Remember, you can share these things with Miss Wolashek at the end of our day with our Zoom. So if you end up doing it, awesome. Use your imagination and create any story you want. Can't wait to see it.